Section 1. Right foot, forward step, left foot, sweep, weave step, left foot, cross, side, behind, side, cross, shuffle, left foot, cross, side, cross, facing 12 o'clock. Sectional count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2. Pedal turn. Right foot, forward step, left quarter turn, hip rolling. Right foot, forward step, left quarter turn, hip rolling. Right foot, forward rock, recover. Back, lock, facing 6 o'clock. Section 2 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3. Back lock step. Right foot, back lock back. Left foot, back lock, recover. Full turn. Right half turn left foot back. Right half turn right foot forward. Left foot forward, right foot together touch and hip bump. Facing 6 o'clock. Section 3 count. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4. 3 back walk, right, left, right, left together touch and hip bump. Right quarter turn left side, hip sway, left, right, left, right together touch and hip bump. Facing 9 o'clock. Section 4 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Full count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.